This film is about an innovative volunteer-led campaign to raise breast awareness and increase early detection of breast cancer. While 1 in 8 women will be affected by breast cancer over the course of their life, the good news is more are surviving than ever before. If breast cancer is caught early, it is very treatable, but not all women are aware of what signs and symptoms to look for, and many put off seeking help from their GP through fear or uncertainty. The Painting Stroud District Pink campaign aimed to change this, and revolved around 5 simple steps to becoming more breast aware. 1. You know better than anybody else what is normal for you. 2. There are certain changes you can look and feel for, such as a lump, a change in skin texture, or the change in the appearance of the nipple. 3. Simply look and feel for these changes regularly. There's no special technique or training needed. 4. Report any changes you may notice to your GP straight away. Don't put it off. 5. Attend routine breast screening when you're invited. It's as easy as touch, look, check, the key campaign message developed by the charity Breakthrough Breast Cancer. This straightforward and empowering message was brought to life in a pioneering volunteer-led campaign in Stroud District, Gloucestershire, from January to June 2011. The campaign was only made possible thanks to the ideas, energy and time donated by a group of local people. These volunteers of all ages and backgrounds wanted to raise people's awareness of how easy it is to check yourself and the positive difference early detection can make to people's lives.
Unfortunately for me, I lost my mum to breast cancer about 4 years ago, and it was a good opportunity for me to be able to do something positive, turning a negative into a positive and allowing more awareness for other women about breast cancer and early diagnosis as well.
The project began with a series of pop-up beauty salons touring Stroud District to talk to local women who were offered a free beauty treatment and a cup of tea. This gave the project team the opportunity to find out about the communities they would be working with and ask people if they would like to volunteer. These volunteers then formed teams to create local action plans in collaboration with NHS Gloucestershire and Us Creates, a social change agency, who shared creative and logistical guidance, design skills, resources, key information and team budgets to help them get their ideas off the ground. The Cobalt Unit, a local charity promoting cancer awareness and detection, trained volunteers, building their knowledge about breast cancer awareness and increasing their confidence to talk to people. The Painting Stroud District Pink campaign hit the streets in May and June. Volunteers put on a series of events, ranging in scale from informal chats with friends to an afternoon tea event organised by the Women's Institute, to large community events with music, pink giveaways and lots of volunteers on hand to talk to the public about the campaign message and answer questions. The Bristol Social Marketing Centre, another partner, were involved throughout the project as action researchers and evaluated the impact. Volunteers spoke to at least 800 people to pass on the breast awareness message, distributed well over 3,000 leaflets, posters and other material, and gained the support of at least 150 local businesses and traders. The 32 volunteers spent a total of over 600 hours on the campaign. People talking to people can have a real impact. Some quotes from members of the public that the volunteers spoke to. The project also had an impact on the volunteers themselves, many of whom are continuing the campaign.
The number of women that actually don't check has quite surprised me. They have been grateful for a nudge, I suppose, into sort of checking. So that's the good positive thing about this campaign.
It's been really positive actually, and been very well empowered to get excited about the campaign, and it's something I really believe in as well.
There seems to be a core group of us that have got involved, and we'll definitely stay in touch and we'll definitely continue to support the campaign. So I think we need I think we're beginning to make a presence and make ourselves known. So I think the more we're about, the easier it will become.
It's made me more aware of the signs and symptoms that I perhaps wouldn't have been aware of before. I've met a lot of friends, which I didn't expect to meet.
The programme is being evaluated using a combination of volunteer feedback, referral data and surveys in GP waiting rooms. The effect of the volunteers' work was also measured through BCAM, which stands for Breast Cancer Awareness Measure. This is a validated survey instrument which was carried out prior to the campaign and repeated afterwards. The results show a significant increase in local women saying that they had recently seen, heard or read something about breast cancer, and crucially the most commonly mentioned source of information was a community event or talk. There was also an increase in people saying that they had heard something from a friend or relative or colleague. There was also an increase in the number of women able to name at least 3 symptoms of breast cancer. The Painting Stroud District Pink campaign is really just the beginning. Now you have seen the difference people can make. Perhaps you would like to do the same in your community. Here are 3 ideas you might try for starters. Simply talk to 3 women you know about the touch, look, check message. Talking is one of the best ways to get the message out there. Join one of the existing volunteer groups who are looking for more people to get involved. Start your own volunteer group in your area. If you would like more information about breast cancer, the touch, look, check message, or would like to order posters or leaflets, call Breakthrough Breast Cancer or visit their website. You can also get local information from the cancer prevention team at Cobalt by phone or from their website. You can register your interest in joining a volunteer group or setting up your own by contacting the campaign here. Thank you for watching.